Hi, my name is Joel, and I've been a patient of Dr. T since for about the last 6 months. My teeth were in such bad shape that I knew I was looking specifically for the full mouth implants. I think the thing that really convinced me he was the guy was just reading his bio, just his education, and you know, the guy's got a PhD, and he's authored a number of papers, and he just seemed to be kind of overqualified, which was good. And then after meeting him, that cinched the deal. And the whole process was so smooth. I was amazed. After the initial scan and a consultation, he told me the whole procedure, walked me through the whole thing, told me what the options were, answered a whole bunch of questions I had, and we set a date, and showed up on that date early in the morning, and they gave me my sedation, and at the end of the day I went home with the full mouth full of teeth. It's a life changer. I'm not self-conscious about my smile now. And the real bonus is I can eat anything I want now. I can eat those thick corn chips from the Mexican restaurants, cold beverages, hot beverages. There's no tooth pain. I don't have to worry about cavities. My wife thinks I'm even more handsome now than I was before. Absolutely, absolutely. Just a word about the support staff here too. They're just wonderful. As far as I'm concerned, Dr. T and all the support staff are all rock stars.